Alison go teach you. No wahala, no stress. Maths and science, you can break them to the best.
Hello learners and welcome to Instructor Alison's online tutorials. For this particular video today, I want to teach you how to solve this particular question under physics. Now physics exam question be this, so if you prepare for JAM, take it seriously. WAEC, take it seriously. Any exam we won't go for, where you know say this particular capacitor, there for the topic, look at and play. A capacitor 8 microfarad. I'm going to show you how to solve question as they read them. Bring out the data, the parameters. They don't mention say capacitor will be C equal to 8 microfarad. Before you go front, make we talk about this one first. Make we calm down, do this video, make it sweet. Wetin be this particular sign we see here? We get plenty of this particular sign wey they always carry attached to the values of capacitor. I need to let you know some of those particular stuff. Anytime we see the one will be micro, this thing they call a micro. The name na micro. And wetin be the value of this micro? Now 10 to the power of minus 6. That be the value of this micro. You get some way you go see sometimes, maybe something like 8 n farad. This small letter n na nano. Na nano. If you see them as nano, please make sure say you convert them to 10 to the power of minus 9. That be the nanofarad. 10 to the power of minus 9. That be nano. You get some way you go see something like P. You go see like 8pf, something like this. P now for picofarad. So it will be 10 to the power of minus 12. That be pico. You get the one we be say, you go see them as small letter f, no be capital letter f. That one they call them femtofarad. So 10 to the power of minus 15. Other ones they, but you will always see any of these ones, especially these first three, will always attach for plenty question we will see. So take them seriously. So as I see 8 microfarad, I will convert that immediately to farad. What I will do is I will just use this 8 multiplied by the value of this one, where I don't tell you say now 10 to the power of minus 6 farad. And the conversion with that. You enter, you understand now where? Make it continue. So they say a capacitor 8 microfarad is charged to a potential difference of 100 volts. They don't give us PD, potential difference. Another symbol of potential difference, now capital letter V. The unit now be the small letter V will be volts. But the main potential difference symbol now V. If you use PD, the PD no go fit use them for formulas. Now make you use V. Make I come out this one here. I hope you don't understand them already. I'm going to break this thing down. If you know say the first time they call my channel, I never hit the subscribe button. Hit subscribe button. The reason is because you will make if I upload video, now you go first receive notification and they learn from me. Or share this particular video, give your friends when they benefit if you know the student. But if you don't subscribe already, thank you so much for your support. Where they support me every time for this particular page. But consider like this video, share, make other people benefit from it. Thank you so much. Okay, so we don't talk about potential difference. Where we V, capital letter V equal to 100 volts. We don't finish that one. What is the energy stored? Now E, they say make you find energy stored by the capacitor. If you don't know the formula for energy stored by capacitor, now there we don't roast. You no go fit go anywhere again. No, you no go fit go anywhere. Now I go lie for you. I'm not gonna lie for you now. So the energy stored, what is the formula? Energy stored by capacitor equal to half CV squared. Sometimes when I remember kinetic energy, they make me remember kinetic energy. You know, say kinetic energy half mv squared. And I will just replace that m with this particular C. I don't remember. Energy stored in capacitor. I don't give you updates. Celebrate grace. I don't give you updates. I am looking finish them. So now E now will be equal to half times what will be C? C now be this value where I don't break them down. 8 times 10 to the power of minus 6 times V. Substitute now here they fail them. You see say V, they give you as 100 volts. You go put 100. You forget say the formula carry square, where you go put square here. You can't put on the carry and multiply, you can't give another different answer. Now me do you, no be me do you now you know check and where. But I beg after this particular video, no do that mistake here. You hear me? Answer me now. You hear me? Or yeah, make we continue. Why they smile now? Make you finish this thing. So E now will be equal to half now. If you check for calculator, half now 0.5. Make you check out. 1 divided by 2. If you press them, will give you 0.5. So if you use 0.5 times 8 times 10 to the power of minus 6. If you press equal to, you will give you answer as 4 times 10 to the power of minus 6. But we never finish. This one now 100 square. What will be 100 square now? 100 times 100. So if you multiply them by 100 times 100, if you don't want to do 100 square, any I want to do, I'm just do the one we go fit you. What I get for my calculator now? 0.04. 0.04. Now be the answer. This one are physics. So if you get this answer finished and you no come put the SI unit of energy attached to them and leave it like this one are just number. It will be like magnitude number, some kind of number. You know, go tell us what this thing be. So if you want make everybody know say now what they talk about energy, they calculate, just put joules. Now be the final answer to this particular problem. I will say this particular video sweet you. It's supposed to sweet you. But if you know sweet you, allow making sweet you. Like this particular video, share this particular video amongst other learners, and make sure say you hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so that when I upload new video, you say will receive notification. Join my classes, so see the flyers then. It's important make you join classes. JAM 2026 don't start. Register now. WAEC, SS1 to 3, all of them. I'm gonna join. If you prepare for JUPEB, IGMB, all the exams, GCSE, join this class. Join this class. Peace and love.
Like you know the fear equation, she the show to clue. Alison go guide you. She the sabi true. Alison go teach you. To all